Hey y'all. So the problems with flying standby is that sometimes you don't fly. So flights were really busy out of Nashville tonight. So I am going to be staying in Nashville, and I found a travel agent rate at a very nice Courtyard by Marriott near the hotel. Shuttle picked me up, took me to the hotel, and I wanted to show it to you. And one thing I've got to say is that, hi Shelly, it smelled amazing when I came in. I wasn't even hungry because I'd eaten at the airport and I was doing great. But I walked in and I was like, what is that smell? It smells garlic. Hey, Burton. So anyway, it smelled wonderful downstairs, but I came in to show you guys the room. And it's just a typical room, very nice, very low key, Marriott quality. So you've got your private little area. Hi guys, for your kitchen or bathroom out here, no kitchen. And then a regular bathroom, nothing fancy, but being the Marriott, I love the way they do these. Instead of giving you little tiny bottles, they give you the dispenser. Hey Thomas, hi Joyce. And of course the rain shower head and the extra room shower curtain. I gotta get one of those for my house, really like that. Okay, so the closet, ooh, iron board. Oh, the hairdryer's in here. I'm glad I looked. Extra blankets and pillows if you need them. Lots of room. And the room is really nice. King size bed and a little sitting area. So I've got like a suite. You just mentioned the word travel agent and they do nice things for you. Don't have any idea about the view. I'm guessing I'm looking at a parking lot, but who knows? Maybe it's a Nashville parking lot. Yeah, look at that view. Yeah, the views are in Jamaica, not here at Nashville. But very nice sitting area. One thing I love about the Marriott is that there are plugs everywhere. I hate it when I have to go behind the beds and try to find the plugs, but in a Marriott, you never have to worry about that. And they've got the TV set up. Hey, Robert, and hi, Ellie. So, and Karen. They've got the TV set up so you can watch your internet TV or regular. I wonder, yep, minibar. Yep. This is the upgraded. Anyway, this is the Courtyard Suites Marriott at the Nashville International Airport. And I did my first thing I always do when I got a bucket of ice. And I'm gonna get on my computer, catch up on my work, and then I'm gonna sleep like a baby in that wonderful Marriott bed. Night, everybody. Thanks for watching.